Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Grab location. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Grab application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can change our location on Grab. Okay, the first one, I'm going to show you how we can change the location for the food delivery. Let's say I want to order food from Grab, and I'm going to change my location. I'm going to go to the food menu, and if we want to change our location for the delivery, we can select this option guys. Just click on this option, and here we can choose our current location, suggested location, or saved location. And you'll be able to search for a specific location as well right here. Just type in the location you want to apply. For example, I'm going to search for this location. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my location has been changed right now. And then I'm going to go back, and actually we can also choose location from map. You can click on this option if you want to open map, and then you can place this pin to the place you want to use, just like this. And then you can click on choose this location. Okay, and now the location has been changed, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can change the pickup location. For example, I'm going to order Grab bike or Grab car, and I'm going to change my pickup location. I'm going to select bike. Right. Okay, and if we want to change our location, we just need to go to the recent location. You can select where to, and then you can change your location right here. Select current location, and then you just need to do the steps I have told you before. You can search for a specific location on the search bar right here, or you can choose location from map. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to select my recent location. For example, this one. Okay, and now the pickup location has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change location on Grab. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.